Hello everybody, this is Noah. I don't know how well you can hear me, so I'll try to speak loud, but I would just like to give a demonstration of my helicopter project. So, this is the helicopter we have, and this is the transmitter for the computer. As you can see, it has an infrared LED, which you might even be able to see is glowing. There, you can see it flashing, just barely. That's because it's actually transmitting little helicopter pulses right now. This is a resistor. It keeps us from overpowering the LED with too much voltage. And it's USB cable to my computer. Now, the watch itself is plugged in, or rather, its access point is plugged into my computer. And the watch program is actually one I found online. It's a .NET Visual Basic application. It uses an Easy430.NET library that we can reuse, and I've modified this program slightly to send information to my Arduino so that I can control the helicopter. So, I'd like to see if I can get everything in the frame. Helicopter, watch, Arduino. Helicopter on. Program running. Program not running. Hold on. Program running. Watch to ACC mode. Helicopter off. Helicopter on. Helicopter off. Helicopter on. Helicopter off. Helicopter on. Now, I wanted to actually use the X and Y of the watch, so this is correct. However, it's backwards of what I wanted, but that's a very simple fix in the code. Thanks for watching.